Vaccines first became available to the Department of Corrections about a month ago. And Nakaya Carrero tells us what the process has been like inside the prisons.
The Department of Corrections teamed up with a group of Department of Health nursing staff to host a mass vaccine clinic where about 70 to 85% of inmates were ready to get vaccinated.
We had alerted folks 2 and 3 weeks ahead of time that we would be doing this, provided information to people, answered a lot of questions, did some town hall work both with the residents, with the staff, so they could ask questions about what's going on and what will occur.
The department says it's not hesitancy it's seen in its inmates, but more of just not knowing. That's where education comes in, not just for inmates, but for staff too, providing materials on the tablets inmates already use and creating new content about the vaccines.
Really a lot of different information. We actually had balanced opinions. We had a piece that's on YouTube, in fact, that talks to 2 staff members, one who chose a vaccine and one who not, and why that is.
So far, 935 inmates have received their first dose, 908 have gotten a second dose, and 49 have received the single dose of Johnson & Johnson. And while a single-dose vaccine would be the preferred vaccine being used in the North Dakota prison system, it's Pfizer.
Or any of the one-dose vaccines are an ideal situation for our folks in jails, for our folks in prison, and for our homeless crowds. So folks who don't have housing security, they can't count on being in the same place 3 and 4 weeks apart, or don't have control of that.
Although getting a vaccine is not required for an inmate, Dr. Hagan says as the weeks go by, more and more are willing to do so.
You lose so many rights and privileges when you come to prison. You don't lose that right to determine your health care.
Reporting for KX News in Bismarck, I'm Nakaya Carrero.
Hagan says inmates just coming into the system are asked if they've already received the vaccine, and if not, they're offered it. He says the exception rate among those incoming prisoners is about 50%. For the latest information on the coronavirus, including all of the latest case numbers, resources, and prevention, you can visit kxnet.com.
A shortage of